Maybe you feel like dancing Zumba? Or listening to a substantial dose of classical music? Or perhaps some flamenco rhythms? Yes, you can experience all of that in the upcoming days in Krakow. Here's what I found for you. For the youngest. It promises to be a super fun event for the youngest ones on July 29th, at the green area near TAURON Arena Krakow, close to the food trucks at Arena Garden Street Food Market. From 2 p.m., there will be workshops for building optical toys, pro-ecological activities, face painting, and many others. Besides stop-motion animation workshops and a family quiz, this event is free of charge. Dance and relax. Or how about some flamenco rhythms? Already on July 29th, starting at 12 p.m. in the Botanical Garden, you can indulge your senses in this particular tone. Or maybe Zumba? This Saturday, July 29th, from 5 p.m., you can have a blast at Shuveri Park, Soska 23. And the next day, you can join my fitness for a relaxing yoga session at Shuveri Park at 6 p.m. Sports. If you happen to be in Krakow on August 4th, you can't miss it because the grand finale of the 80th edition of World Tour de Polonia will take place that day. As part of the final, the peloton will cover almost 167 kilometers from Zabrze to Krakow. The honorary start will take place in Zabrze at 2:30 p.m., from where the cyclists will head towards the capital of Malopolska. The arrival in Krakow is expected around 5:50 p.m. The finish line will be on our Liia Foha near the Blonia. The conclusion of the stage is scheduled for around 6:45 p.m. Music. From August 4th to 13th, the 16th edition of the Summer Music Festival Wawel at dusk will take place, also known as the Summer Music Festival. It is the only festival of classical music organized on such a large scale in Krakow. The music resounds in an open space imbued with historical and symbolic significance, and the unique illuminated scenery of the setting sun gives the royal castle on Wawel a distinctive color and acquires new cultural meanings. Most of the concerts require tickets, which can be purchased through the website provided in the description. However, on August 11th, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., you will have the opportunity to listen to the wonderful compositions of Frédéric Chopin performed by 3 young pianists, and this concert will be free of charge. As part of the 19th Festival of Polish Music, on July 28th, at 7 p.m. at the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus we will hear, among others, Solemn Gift of the Blessed Virgin Mary hymn and Perpetuum Mobile. And on July 29th at 7 p.m. at the Nowo Hucaya Centrum Kultury, we will also have the opportunity to listen to many amazing compositions by Stanisław Moniuszko, a Polish composer, conductor, educator and organist. Would anyone like to listen to Schumann? If so, I invite you to a concert on July 30th, at 12 p.m., at Villa Decius as part of the 2nd edition of the Summer Light Concerts of the Pianistic Cooperative. Right after that, starting at 4 p.m. on the same day, you can listen to Bach's works at the Centrum Kultury Pod Gorzar, located at Sokolska 13. Cinema. Starting from August 1st, there will also be a series of summer cinema at the Jewish Culture Center. Film screenings will always take place at 6 p.m. at 17 Myselsa Street. The program for the upcoming days in description. The repertoire of the outdoor cinema at Bagri Beach looks very interesting. Screenings always start at 9 p.m. For this weekend, on Saturday, July 29th, they will show Aquaman, and on Sunday, July 30th, £7. If you want to watch lovely family comedy A Dog's Purpose, come on Saturday 29th on July, at 9 p.m. to this address. In coming days, Shuveri Cinema will display, on 28th of July, Being John Malkovich, 8 p.m, on 29th, Saturday Night Fever, 8 p.m, and on 30th, Despicable Me, 6 p.m.